Now let's move to the question number 2. It is given that 2 ln p plus ln p minus 1 minus 1 over 2 ln q plus 1 is equal to 3. Find the q in terms of p. To solve this question, we first know some properties like ln a plus ln b is equals to ln ab. Secondly, ln e minus ln b is equals to ln a over b. Third one is a ln b is equals to ln b to the power of 3. These are three properties which will be used while solving these questions. So we have the question which is says that 2 ln p plus ln p minus 1 minus 1 over 2 ln q plus 1 equals to 3. This first term can be solved using power rule, or we say that ln p square plus ln p minus 1, and this can be written as third term can be written as minus ln q plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 3. There is a summation between two ln terms, so we can apply this rule. So this will become ln p square times p minus 1 minus ln q plus 1 to the power of half equals to 3. Now there is a subtraction between two ln terms, so we will use this property. So this one will become ln p square times p minus 1 over q plus 1 to the power of 1 by 2 equals to 3. And we need to find the q in terms of p. So we can take exponential term both sides. This will become p squared times p minus 1 over q plus 1 to the power of half equals to exponential of. So this will become p squared times p minus 1 equals to exponential of 3 times under root of q plus 1. So further solving, we will have under root of q plus 1 equals to the p squared times p minus 1 over exponential of 3. Taking square both sides, we will have q plus 1 equals to p squared times p plus minus 1 over exponential of 3 whole square, and q is equals to the p square times p minus 1 over exponential of 3 whole square minus 1. So this is the q in terms of p.